Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share strawberry cake recipe.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Let's get started. I have taken 4 eggs. To that I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. Nicely beat it together. You have to beat this mix until it turns into nice pale yellow in color. To that I am adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Instead of heavy whipping cream, if you have sour cream will also do. You can either choose whipping cream or sour cream. To that now I am adding almond flour. This is 1 cup. Totally I will be using 2.5 cup of almond flour. As I follow low carb recipes, I am using almond flour. You are free to use all-purpose flour or maida. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Nicely give it a good mix. Finally, I am adding half more cup of almond flour. Totally 2.5 cup of almond flours I have used. I have taken 9-inch baking tray. Nicely grease it with butter and also line it with the parchment paper. I have taken half the cake mix, give it 1 layer. Over it I will be topping with chopped strawberries. Totally I have used 500 grams of strawberries. Now I am just layering half of the strawberries. Then again cover it with the remaining cake mix. It's a very delicious and moist cake. Sure, give it a try. Now again I will be lining up with strawberries on top. These are little bigger in pieces. The first layer I had used small pieces of strawberries. Here on top I have taken halves. I'll be baking it at 350 degree Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes or until the toothpick is coming clear. Sure, give a toothpick test. It's a very moist cake. Also, the strawberries will be releasing its liquid. Now the remaining strawberries I have taken in a mixer, to which I am also adding a 1/4 cup of sugar. We will be preparing a strawberry sauce. The strawberry sauce is ready. This sauce you can always use for even pancakes, waffles or yogurt or even for making milkshake when it is left over. I'm just dusting the cake with the powdered sugar. Very delicious strawberry cake it is. Serve it very chill. That gives extra taste. Use generous amount of strawberry sauce to top it with. This strawberry sauce is a very good complement with this strawberry cake. And also I will be giving a scoop of whipping cream and some berries. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.